Yes, it's important to build a nation together because building a nation together brings good reputation for the generations of tomorrow. And we are always happy that we always announce to the world that let Nigerian government and we, the owners of Nigeria, wake up together and work, not rely on the president because the president is an old man. And our people used to say that when a child grows up, he comes up to take care of his father. So the country relies on we, the youth, not the elderly people again, because the elder people they are fed up of the system of leadership. So in this time now, we are very happy that we come to realize that the president of this country is above the age of the country. So therefore, the country is what to work for the president, not the president working for the country. So next time we need to make the best leader of bringing a young boy to take over this our country, then so he can remember the futures of tomorrow. Because we have many things to do. Just like likewise, the book of the Christian used to say, go to the world and multiply. They didn't put anything minus, and at the same time, the Arab book used to say anything you know is not good for you, don't destroy it because we know there will be a time that people will like such that will come around. So always give our opinions to the citizens of Nigeria that we should wake up and fight for the youth, not for the elderly people. I am the president of Nigeria Advocacy Movement. Sir Lord Marmon. Thank you.